And that was the performance of Justice Bolivia. The name of the song, Piña Guada. That is very typical from the city of La Paz, which by the way is one of the highest, it is the highest city in the world. We are going to continue now with more from Bolivia. We are featuring the country in the Pan American Food Fest. This time we are going to welcome Grupo Folclórico Melodía de Bolivia. Pay attention to the little kids who are just beginning to be part of this group. They're going to be performing. Let's make sure they get on stage. Los aplausos para niños que se han together for this little kid. It is their first performance on a big stage like this. And we know that they're going to be doing an amazing job. We are ready now to enjoy the performance of Grupo Melodía de Bolivia. They are going to be performing a dance called Pinto. Pinto is from the Quechua language, a native language in Bolivia, and it means encounter, encuentro. Usually, it represents the encounter between two towns or two groups of people, and there's a big fight, and the blood that's left on the ground is in homage of the Mother Earth. That's a little bit of explanation of what the dance means. I leave you now with the performance of Grupo Folclórico Melodía de Bolivia.